The sun's shining and we all feel like having burgers. So I'm going to make spicy potato burgers. They are vegan, vegetarian, and really easy to make. I have boiled some potato here, and I'm going to take one potato and mash and grate it. I'm just going to start with make the mixture with one whole potato, and grating will make it smooth, and then I'll add the spices. So one large 250-gram potato should be able to make 2 burgers. Good pinch of salt, good pinch of chili. I can't even say 1/4 teaspoon because it's less than 1/4 teaspoon. And 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of cornflour, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and then just make it into a paste. Just a handful of fresh coriander leaves. And now I'm going to mix it all up. Now divide into equal portions and then shape it into a burger. And here I've got some homemade breadcrumbs. Just get them on a plate. So first I will dip this. So first we're gonna roll it into the breadcrumbs. Then we're gonna dip it into cornflour mix. Oops. And then roll it back again on our breadcrumb mix. And this way it's going to be sealed, it's going to be crispy and delicious. And here they are ready to be fried. Some really hot oil in a pan. Carefully fry it. I'm just going to prepare some onions which I will put in the burger. So I'm going to thinly slice some red onions. Just some salt, some chili powder, and some lemon juice. Mix. Going to just slice some tomatoes as well. So you can start with some vegan butter, or you can just completely skip the spread, and if you're not vegan, then just use some normal butter. Next goes in some lovely coriander and mint chutney, and this chutney is the key. It's really easy to make. Recipes in my channel and also in my books. Just some salad leaves of your choice. And goes in our beautiful burger. Look at that. Gorgeous. And tomato. Some of the onion. And then chili sauce of your choice. Obviously, if you are not vegan, you can add some mayo if you like. Look at that beauty. I'm so looking forward to this. It's so beautifully crisp outside, soft inside. Those onions and that chutney is quite key. This is so good, and I really do hope you are going to give this a go and enjoy it, because it's so full of flavor. It's delicious. That chutney, the spiced up onions, the chili sauce, the burger in itself, it's fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another brand new recipe. Enjoy and enjoy the sunshine. Stay safe.